We are the UK's leading supplier of multi-brand marine diagnostic systems. Our product, Jaltest, covers both inboard, outboard and stationary engines. Jaltest comes fully loaded with a database containing both technical information, component locations and wiring diagrams to enable advanced testing on most craft. Testing of engines, home controls, drive controls, powertrain and much more are all possible with our software. Since 2005, we've supplied the best diagnostic products backed up with industry-leading, UK-based vehicle and IT support. With 16 years of experience, our highly skilled technicians can help you with the most complex of vehicle or IT issues through remote assistance. Our product functionality includes reading and deleting of error codes, displaying and graphing of live and nominal vessel data, adjustment of vessel settings, actuations of devices and components, programming of ECUs, detailed interactive wiring diagrams, and linked guided diagnosis. If you're interested in more information or require an on-site demonstration with one of our local managers, please reach out on the details provided. Thanks for watching.